We're looking at a chart of the Emini S&P for Wednesday the 23rd of April. Quite a remarkable bounce off this 1803 low. We've absolutely rocketed over the last few days, almost up 1% every day I think. Yesterday we managed to get to 1878. This was a surprise. I really thought we were just so overbought on the short-term chart. We really couldn't come any higher. I was looking for a dip back below 1858 if I'm honest, but we've spiked higher. Once we got through these highs of 1868, we just pushed on to the next target of 1873. We even went further than that, hitting 1878, 1879. So no one seems to care that we're so overbought short-term. What happens next? I've just put some short-term fibs on there. This is a slightly negative candle on the 4-hour chart, so there is potentially a top there, just a short-term top. Not saying we're going to collapse, but really we are due some profit taking, I think. If we look at the daily chart, even that's now sort of heading into overbought territory really. The last time we got anywhere near that, we did sell off quite abruptly, so it's possible we will hit profit taking into the middle of the week. Maybe that candle signals that we are going to see a drift back, and really, there's a lot of activity in this sort of 1865 1860 area, so on the way up. So really that would be the obvious place for us to head for on some profit taking. A low for the day, yes, very much a good chance of that. As you can see, we've held there before. If we continue lower, let me see, we've got some trend line action going on here around the mid 1850s, 1856, 1854 I'd say, but if we start breaking below 1850, then that is going to add pressure this week. Back to the daily chart to have a look at what could happen if we break through yesterday's high. We'll get through 1879. I mean, there's really not an awful lot to stop us retesting. The all-time highs are up around the 1890, 1893 level. It would seem quite possible. We've certainly got some more room as far as the daily stochastic looks.